does Callie look nice? See, I'm not asking you to do that. Literally so much cheesecake in our videos. Did you notice that? Almost every video we have like one 5-second clip of us eating cheesecake or something. And we're about to get it again.
If you point it to me one more time.
Okay. Does Callie look nice? See, I'm not asking you to do that.
And then put this one, drink this. And like that, so on. But first, for the first one only, you do the twisting. Now just put this through this, like this. Get me stuck in this bag.
Literally so much cheesecake in our videos. Did you notice that? Almost every video we have like one 5-second clip of us eating cheesecake or something. And we're about to get it again. So I'll show you another 5-second clip. Make sure it's exactly 5 seconds.
Hi fam, so today we're gonna go downstairs and get Callie's phone from the car because she forgot it. And say hi to Lucky Ducky. I'm gonna keep the phone if you point it to me one more time.
Okay, I want these now. Let's go, bro.
Shweta was in her hand.
Let's go.
She was a teacher.
You know where the phone is, see? Do you know? Which one is the unlock? Do you know which one is the unlock?
Yeah, I know.
Click it. Click it once more. Oh, never mind. Get it. Yes, bro.
Close it.
Lock.
I think it's
Yeah, good job. Let's go back. You guys gotta hurry up.